Hi everyone, I'm George McQuilkin, National Product Trainer for LG Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about our new top-load laundry. When it comes to laundry, besides having the best clean and gentlest care for your clothes, we all want washers and dryers that are easy to use. That's why LG top-load washers not only take the best care of your clothes, but they were also designed with one goal in mind: maximum power with maximum comfort. Take a look. This sleek modern design features clean lines, an intuitive control panel, and a form that truly elevates the laundry room. Whether you choose classic alpine white or premium graphite, every model looks like a step up and includes a soft closed glass lid. And the design is functional, not just stylish. At LG, we've lowered the front edge and raised the tub. That's nearly 3 extra inches of reach. This design is called Easy Unload, making loading and unloading easier for everyone. No more tiptoes, no more straining, and no more sore backs. It's a smart design with real comfort. And this does not sacrifice capacity. Whether you choose the 4.8 cubic foot WT8205 with agitator or massive 5.5 8600 with impeller, you have the capacity for that busy family. You can even wash your king-size bedding and throw the sheets in with it. Another big upgrade is vibration control. We added enhanced shock absorbers to these models, and along with a quiet and durable LG inverter direct drive motor, keeping the drum perfectly centered during the wash cycle. Just watch this. Even when I press the tub, the drum barely moves, and it springs right back to the center. This is a step up in engineering you get with the newer models. Of course, speed matters too. The 8200 features a 45-minute TurboWash cycle, and the 84 and 86 step that up into TurboWash 3D, cutting the wash time down to under 30 minutes. TurboWash works by using a powerful combination of high-pressure spray jets, 6-motion wash, and turbo spin to deeply and effectively clean clothes in less time. Plus, every model features LG's proprietary AI wash, which senses the fabric type and load size, automatically optimizing your wash cycle. Pair it with the LG ThinQ app and unlock Smart Pairing. Your washer tells the dryer the best settings for every load. You can monitor your time, get notifications, and even download cycles from your phone. Let's not forget, you get that extra 1 year of warranty when you register on the ThinQ app. One step up that everyone will want is the exclusive LG Easy Load dryer doors found on the 84 and 8600 matching dryers. And for the ultimate upgrade, the WT8600 adds Easy Dispense auto detergent dispenser and built-in faucet for pre-treating. Plus, with our LCD digital dial, your customers will get the most personalized experience and the easiest wash yet. So if you want laundry that's smarter, faster, and easier to reach, LG's new top-load lineup is a perfect match. Be sure to check out the new line logic charts and the latest updates. LG's Easy Load and Easy Unload systems are more than just a clever name. It's ergonomic design with a purpose, making laundry even easier for anyone who wants more control and comfort. Powerful TurboWash and TurboWash 3D reduces wash times. And Smart Pairing in the ThinQ app just made laundry even easier. Now that's good.